Hello friends, sometimes you want to download thumbnail or background image of a YouTube video but you don't know how to do it. Let's find out how can we download it in simple step. First of all, you have to download this app in your smartphone. You can get link of this app from description, and after downloading open this app and then go to YouTube. Select your favorite video. After selecting, click on share and copy link. After copying, again go back to app and you will see this app have thumbnail of image in various resolutions. You can click on download in any of that. This is the highest resolution, then HD and standard quality and medium. I will download the highest resolution. Click on download and it's downloading. Thumbnail is saved in gallery. And there is another method to do it. Let's try on another video. Go to share and click on the icon of the app and click on download again, and let's check gallery if image is saved or not. So you can see we have both images in our gallery. Hope this will help you. Thank you.